Today, I'm going to show you how to sign up on GitHub. Whether you're looking to collaborate on coding projects, host your own repositories, or explore open source contributions, creating a GitHub account is your first step into one of the most popular development platforms out there. Let's walk through the sign up process together. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. This will take you to GitHub's homepage, where you'll see all the information about the platform and its features. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the sign up button. Go ahead and click on it to begin the registration process. Now you'll be presented with a few different options for creating your account. If you already have a Google account or Apple account and prefer a quicker sign up method, you can click Continue with Google or Continue with Apple. This will allow you to use your existing credentials to set up your GitHub account without having to create a new password. It's a convenient option that many users prefer for simplicity. Alternatively, if you'd rather create a standalone GitHub account, you can type your email address directly into the email text field. This gives you more control over your account setup and keeps your GitHub login separate from other services. Either method works perfectly fine, so choose whichever feels more comfortable for you. Next, you'll need to create a strong password for your account. Type your password into the designated field. Make sure it's something secure but also memorable, as you'll be using this to access your account going forward. GitHub takes security seriously, so choosing a robust password is an important step in protecting your projects and code. After setting your password, navigate to the username field and type your preferred username. This is the name that will be visible to other GitHub users and will appear in your profile URL. Choose something professional if you plan to use GitHub for work-related projects or something that represents you well in the developer community. Keep in mind that this username will be part of your GitHub identity. Now you'll need to specify your location, navigate to the country/region field and click the drop-down menu below it. Scroll through the list and select your preferred country or region. This helps GitHub provide you with relevant information and ensures compliance with local regulations. Once you've filled in all the required information, you're ready to finalize your account creation. Click the Create Account button to complete the sign-up process. GitHub may ask you to verify your email address or complete a quick verification step to ensure you're not a robot, so keep an eye out for any additional prompts that might appear. And that's it. You've successfully created your GitHub account and can now start exploring repositories, contributing to projects, and managing your own code. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.